Hello and welcome to the Lighthouse software videos. In this instructional video I will demonstrate how to create custom trends for a group of sensors. The software has predefined trends that are created for every sensor and room that is added to the system. They are located in the Trends tab. The Trends tab will show you the available trends based on which room is currently selected. If you're in the main facility, all trends regardless of the room they are associated with will be available for display. If you have a subroom selected, only the trends for that subroom will be available for the display. These predefined trends are a good start, however you cannot edit the predefined trends. So I'm going to demonstrate how to create a custom trend that you'll be able to display and edit as needed. First, determine which room and sensors you wish to create a trend for, and then locate that room in the database tree on the left side of the screen. For this demonstration, I want to create a custom trend in the center room. From the main facilities map, left-click on the shaded area for the center room, and this will display the center room. Left-click anywhere on the map away from a sensor, and it'll display the actions for the center room. Go to Locate and Locate in Database Explorer. This will highlight the center room. Now, right-click on the center room, give you the display options, and go down to New and up to Trend. And then name your new trend. Double-click on the trend you just created to display the blank trend screen. Now, there are two ways to add a data point to the trend. One is by drilling down into the database tree and dragging and dropping the data point onto the trend screen. For example, you'll open Data, open APC01, open Channel 1, drag and drop the data point onto the trend screen and select Raw Historic Trace. The other way to add a data point is to right-click on the trend screen and select Add Trace. Then select Historic Data. This will open the Add Raw Historic Trace. In the source field, you click on the three-dot button, and then under Center Room, open Data, open APC01, open Channel 2, and select the data point, and then click on OK. And then click on OK to add Raw Historic Trace. Once all the data points have been added to the trend, save the trend by clicking on the Save icon in the upper left-hand corner. Customize the trend by right-clicking on different areas such as Y-axis, Trace, Timeline, Title, etc., and selecting Edit to display their properties. Let's start with our data points and setting them to the correct axis. Right-click on Channel 1, Edit, go to Y-axis and set it to Y-axis 1. Tell it OK. Do the same for Channel 2, Edit, Y-axis 1. If you don't like the color of Channel 2, you can select the color bar and change it to any color you wish. And then OK. Let's define our axis. Right-click, Edit. We can label the units for particles. And you notice I put single quotes around the label so it'll display properly. We'll select logarithmic, and automatic or range is good, and tell it OK. As you can see, the data defaults for 24 hours. If you would like to change that to a shorter segment, come down to the timeline, right-click, Edit, and do our offset. Let's say 2 hours. OK. And then the interval, which is our full display, right now it's showing 25 hours. Let's change that to 3 hours. OK. And OK. So that's a little bit easier to see now. Let's do a little more cleanup and finish the trend. Let's go up to Trend Title, right-click, Edit Properties, and put the title in. OK. Right-click, show y-axis, and turn off y-axis number 2. After all your edits are complete, be sure to save your trend by clicking on the save icon. And now you can close the trend by clicking on the black X on the right. At this time you'll notice that if you click on Trends tab, that center room trend has been added to the list on the main facility. Now if you click on this and run it, you'll notice that you cannot edit from the Trends tab. There's no edit option. If you need to edit this trend again, close that, go over to your database tree and drill down to your center room trend, double click, and now you'll be able to edit again. This concludes the instructional video. For additional information about this software or any other Lighthouse product or service, please visit the Lighthouse webpage at www.golighthouse.com. Thank you.